What is good? Sosa Sammy back with another video. Today we're back with their reaction. We're gonna be reacting to Lil Uzi Vert, Flooded the Face. You know, he just released an album, Pink Tape. Let me know if y'all want to see more of this album. You know, it has a lot of songs actually. We could react to a few more if y'all want me to. The first track of the album. Let's get right into it.
Pull up if you really with it. Pull up if you really with it. Pull up if you really with it.
He still got this diamond in his forehead. I'm not a big Lil Uzi fan, to be honest. I haven't listened to Lil Uzi in a long time.
Wake up. Uzi, not again. You're never gonna change.
Yeah, first of all, I fuck 8 bitches a day. How could you ever say Lil Uzi gay? Fuck 4 of them raw, fuck 4 of them safe. Think I'm splitting the odds, but for you to debate.
Oh. He's at first. Oh, hold up.
Gonna change.
Yeah, first of all, I fuck 8 bitches a day. How could you ever say Lil Uzi gay? Fuck.
Oh, first of all, I f 8 bitches a day. How could you say Lil Uzi gay? Lil Uzi Vert turned into a girl. Oh, that was like crazy when he did that. Leslie, that was it. Leslie. Lil Uzi, Leslie Uzi Vert.
Yeah, first of all, I fuck 8 bitches a day. How could you ever say Lil Uzi gay? Fuck 4 of them raw, fuck 4 of them safe. Think I'm splitting the odds, but for you to debate.
For him raw, for him safe.
Don't want no pussy, want oral today. But out your tongue and you twirl it, baby. She lick on my back with them proudly, baby. Diamond so wet like a swally, baby. I'm more than a 40. If I put out a tape with my porn shit. If I'm porn and you porn, we porn shit. I fuck your bitch on can like a porno flick. I put diamonds everywhere, that more than wrist. Out late, bro.
He do be putting diamonds everywhere. He put one in his forehead. How much is that diamond? Isn't that diamond worth like $20 million? Like, bro, you have so much money, you can put a $20 million diamond in your forehead.
Flooded the face, mad at the roof. Got a new house, unlimited space. It was just hard, now my life grew. Now that little girl gonna do what I said. Diamond like wave, water like sand.
This is something different, definitely. I'm not used to listening to this type of music. This is something else.
Diamond my rollie, diamond my paddock. This an AP and a hand automatic.
Oh. Diamond and Rolly, Diamond and Paddock. He said,
this an AP and a hand automatic.
There's an AP and a hand automatic. I already know.
Whipping that white in the kitchen, Bob Saget. Whipping it slow, need to whip it a little faster. I got the swag on fashionable bastard. Rock on my jean, they tight like the Mick Jagger. You think you fly, but your swagger track magazine. They want my sauce because I'm a chick mad. Had to work in my hat and I pull out a rabbit. Roaming the letters, I chop out the capture. All of my weapons and bitches automatic. I do not fuck with no semi-automatic. Girl, my name, you know you call me daddy. I was on the Zaddy, walking like what happened. All these niggas, they be lying, let me cap it. I just put him to the bank and started laughing.
He's definitely, I don't know. He got an interesting flow. I like his flow. Like, this is a different type of. I don't even know what to name this. Like what could this genre be? Like rap? I don't know.
Flooded the face, mad at the roof. Got a new house, unlimited space. It was just hard. Who wanna race? Smoking that gas.
Yeah, I'm guessing that's the whole.
I mean, cool. Who wanna race?
Okay, let's do something. Let's do two. Let's do two songs. All right. Let's do the second one. All right, now let's do it. Suicide Doors. Why not do a double reaction? Might as well.
My right hand to God, I ain't never heard a Uzi Vert song that I can say that's Uzi Vert. But I know he a sissified looking nigga that put fingernail polish on his motherfucking nails and wear dresses. How you gonna talk about something, nigga?
Thank you, Lil Uzi Vert.
Okay. That was an interesting starting of the track.
I don't know. Where the fuck am I?
What is this?
Whoa! Fuck you and fuck your bitch. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all niggas. Y'all niggas try to ban me from this shit, but I came back. I do what I want, I do anything I please. I feel like bitch, I'm the crow. Whoa! I feel like bitch, I'm the crow. I feel like bitch, I'm the crow. I'm the crow. I feel like bitch, I'm the crow. I'm the. And if you not know who you gotta go. Whoa.
Was he off the perk when he made it or something? Cause God, this is like some raw, like, you know, we're gonna go crazy. No, what is this, bro? Lil Uzi is crazy, bro.
If you not know who you gotta go. Whoa. Your nigga did 10 of these dudes. Whoa. I
making money like a CEO. Okay.
I get 500,000 a show. Check my name on your ass and your toe. I'm the chief keef, like Sosa, I'm glow. All my bitches from around the world, I'm global. I eat pop tarts, but I took that bitch to Noble. Yeah, 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 yeah. What?
I was not expecting this type of beat when I read the title.
I wear Balenciaga straight out the showroom. I put spikes all in my head just like I'm Goku. She looked at
Spikes all over my head, like, oh, like here, you know, when Goku's already, he got spikes in his head. Oh, okay.
I said be the old you. Suck my dick, you dumbass bitch. She said you so rude.
She said you're so rude.
In Trinidad, I go big roll like Tolu. They said they want Lil Uzi Vert on them old loops. I'm reptilian, I'm not normal, my soul through. My mama don't know me no more cause I got new blood. Got a new bitch but she don't sell my old slut. I don't like a natural bitch, I like fake butts. $10 million.
Okay. I don't know what he's rapping about, but alright. It still sound hard though, like, I don't know. It's something different. I might have to listen to this album because it's really bringing something different to the table, but I mean, it's not like I'm gonna listen to this every day, or maybe might not even go to the playlist, but it's a vibe right now.
I don't like a natural bitch, I like fake butts. $10 million from La Nation, bitch, I pay stuff. I don't wait for Lord Debbie's, but I'm caked up. 666 saying this, that's why they hate. Caked up. 666 saying this, that's why they hate us.
Okay.
Debbie's, but I'm caked up. 666 saying this, that's why they hate us.
Okay. Hey, I'm not even gonna say nothing about it. I'm not even trying to get into all that. Y'all heard it? Y'all. Let's just keep going.
I ain't saying this, but they say I'm, so let's do it. My Dominican bitch don't speak English, but so fluent. Fuck two Spanish bitches next to each other, they crook growing. Yeah, whoa, yeah.
What is this man on? What is he on, bro?
Bitch, I'm on my mind, I ain't the same. I saw Rasta on my choco cane, bitch.
What he said, bro? What is he saying? I can't understand what he's saying.
Rasta on my choco cane, bitch. I mind, I ain't the same. I saw Rasta on my choco cane.
I don't even understand what he's saying, bro. Does the subtitles work?
Bitch, I'm so crazy, don't jump in my lane. Bitch.
Yeah, he is crazy. He's definitely crazy. I don't know what he on.
Suicide horse trying to fuck me for the fame. I just wanna cry. I just wanna crash out in a trash. Yeah.
They said he just wanna crash. Okay, I don't know what's he on. He took a perk. He ate some shrooms and he took a tab. That's all I can say.
He ain't never shot no Uzi. They call himself Uzi Vert.
He ain't never shot no Uzi. He called himself Uzi Vert.
He ain't never shot no Uzi. They call himself Uzi Vert. He ain't no Uzi tote nigga. He ain't the nigga known in the neighborhood for the Uzi.
From this, I don't even know. After this, I don't even know if I want to listen to the rest. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, share, do all that. And I mean, yeah, because I'm gonna be catching on the next video.
You got me jumping like